you are the caretaker for that car and that client. So double check what the technician has recommended. Always look through the history to make sure that something wasn't just done 6 months ago, a year ago, and the technician didn't pick up on that. So the best method that I would encourage is always address the client's complaints first. No matter how insignificant or significant they may be, those are their concerns. So address those concerns. After that, the next thing that should be on the repair order or the recommendation should be safety items, brakes, tires, whatever it might be. Then you would get into recommended maintenances, and then at the end, of importance would be any type of preventive maintenance like engine flushes or transmission flushes, coolant flushes. All good for the car, but again, in the same order, I'll go over it again. Address the customer's concerns first, any and all safety issues, any factory preventive maintenances, any dealer preventive maintenances that could assist with their car.